Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Okay, am I audible to you? आवाज येतोय माझा?
Yes.
Okay. So I want to give today one assignment. First chapter related to first chapter and second chapter. And secondly, yesterday I told you preparation or to do the preparation related to the one of the management business tycoon, Dhirubhai Ambani. Yes. Have you prepared? Hello. Please respond me. व्हिडिओ पाहिले का तुम्ही रतन टाटांची? हॅलो, हॅव यू गॉन थ्रू द वेरियस यूट्यूब व्हिडिओज? बरकडे वैष्णव, ओके. धीरूभाई अंबानी, सोनिका कोले, ओके. व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? सिलेबस मध्ये आहे का तुमच्या? सिलेबस मध्ये काय आहे? जस्ट मिनिट, मी सिलेबस पाहतो. सिलेबस मध्ये कुठले कुठले स्टडी साठी तुम्हाला बिझनेस टाकून दिलेले आहेत, बिझनेस लीडर्स दिलेले आहेत. चॅप्टर 2 चा सिलेबस कुठे नाहीये. जस्ट मिनिट. Here, this is the syllabus of second chapter. Concept of managerial thoughts. Contribution of F.W. Taylor, Elton Mayo, Henry Fayol, and Peter Drucker. So this 2.2 already we discussed. 2.1 also we discussed, and we started our discussion on Indian management ethos and different style. For example, J.R.D. Tata. Yesterday I showed you one of the YouTube video regarding J.R.D. Tata, his empire, Tata's empire, and I explained, I told you to study the Dhirubhai Ambani. Another is N.R. Narayan Murthy, and third is Ritesh Agarwal. So how many of you have yesterday seen the various videos of these management gurus? हॅलो, पाहिले का कुणी? अरे पाहिले का? किती जणांनी पाहिले ते? 1 2 3 4 5 जणांचा आन्सर आले फक्त. व्हॉट अबाउट अदर्स? डहाके, श्रुतिका, ऋतुजा वाघ आणि कोले, शिवानी लकडे. आउट ऑफ 42 only 5 students are serious about their syllabus. What about others? दानवे, सौरभ मांडे, पत्के, गागरे, पडोलकर, देशपांडे. अरे आता परीक्षा येईल. एक काम करा, I will share the another screen. Today we'll see, we are going to start with managerial function, major managerial function, chapter 3, forecasting, planning, organizing, decision controlling, motivation and controlling. So I am going to start the discussion related to managerial functions. And regarding Narayan Murthy, Agarwal and Dhirubhai Ambani, I want some notes from you. I want you must watch some videos, then I will teach you. You must do the study of these three management gurus from various sources, internet sources, and try to draw the notes or try to write down some biographies, some achievements related to these business tycoons. Okay, जमेल का? अरे जमेल का? ते यस ऑर नो. मी पुढे जाऊन तर शिकवणारच आहे, पण अगोदर तुम्ही नोट्स काढायच्यात आणि ह्या नोट्स मला पुढच्या गुरुवारपर्यंत सबमिट करायच्या आहेत. नेक्स्ट थर्सडेला मला इथे कॉलेजवर नोटबुक घेऊन यायची आहे आणि असाइनमेंट दाखवायच्या आहेत. त्यामध्ये मला 3 असाइनमेंट देणार आहेत. पहिली जी असाइनमेंट आहे, 1 मिनिट, पहिली जी असाइनमेंट आहे त्याचा फोटो काढून घ्या, मी डिस्प्ले करतो. असाइनमेंट नंबर 1, draw the photo, draw the snapshot of these particular assignment. परत म्हणू नका सर असाइनमेंट मिळाली नाही. दिसते का स्क्रीनवर? से यस यस इन चॅट बॉक्स. एव्हरीवन शुड टाइप. 42 जणांचे रिस्पॉन्ड आले पाहिजेत मला. फोटो काढला? Have you drawn the picture of this photo, snapshot of this particular assignment?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Please talk in English or Hindi. Shahid Ayub. Okay, okay, okay. So thank you, Shahid. Thank you for giving suggestion. In front of you, assignment number 1 and assignment number 2 is there, and complete this assignment till next Thursday and write down in your own handwriting and in your own notebook and get it signed from me. Already these 2 topics I explained, question 1, 2, 3, question 1, 2, 3 in previous meetings. Okay, if you have any difficulty, you can approach me, you can come to me, and I will explain. I will try to explain all the details related to principles of management, which I already covered, which I already discussed in the previous Zoom meeting. Okay, if you have any doubts, if you are not able to write down the answers of these questions, anyone is having any difficulty, please do come towards me and I will try to solve the each and every problem related. New notebook करायची? Yes, yes, you can purchase one new notebook. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, or if you want to write on Fullscape paper, you can write on Fullscape paper also. But what happens at the time of examination, if you are having a book with you, you will be able to refer it. Getting? For your convenience purpose, it is better to write in your own notebook. Getting? Shoaib, getting?
Sir. Yes, sir.
So this is all about first assignment, second assignment, and third assignment. You have to write down the, which is third assignment? You have to write down the biography related important points of first Ratan Tata, second Dhirubhai Ambani, third Narayan Murthy, Infosys co-founder, and lastly Agarwal. So 4 important biographies are there in your syllabus. Some leadership skills which they have, that you have to explain, their management skills, in their own in your own style, and all the information is available in books also. Whatever I already taught to you, this material is available on net, is available on books, in various books. You can purchase the books from Sripad Grantha Bhandar, which is 1 and 2 kilometers away from this particular college in Shani Chowk Galli. You are having this. This particular shop is located there, so you can purchase the books, Principles of Management, from that shop and try to do your study. In next 1 or 2 months there will be examination. Okay, so I will explain third assignment. I will give third assignment later words. Okay, so I will start today's discussion with managerial function. I stop this particular screen and I will share my new screen. Okay, so third chapter is related to major managerial functions. You know, various managerial functions: planning, organizing, directing, controlling, staffing, recruiting, motivating, communication. These are the major manager functions the manager performs. Getting to get the success in the business, to run the business successfully, the management or manager does or management actually perform certain functions. Manager has to tackle the various problems. Manager has to develop the various strategies, policies for development of the that particular business, and he has to perform a lots of managerial functions. So mainly planning, organizing, delegating, centralization, decentralization, decision making, motivation, controlling, and forecasting are in your syllabus. So we will go one by one. Planning is first. We will start with planning. So everyone knows plan, meaning of plan. You have already made so many plans. है की नाही? प्रत्येक जणांनी वेगवेगळे प्रकारचे प्लॅन्स केलेले आहेत in their own while doing their various tasks. If you want to do marriage in your if you want to do marriage of your relatives in your family, you require to do planning. ठीक आहे नाही? काही फंक्शन असेल एखादं फॅमिलीमध्ये, तर तुम्हाला ते फंक्शन बेस्ट करण्यासाठी तुम्ही काय करता? प्लॅन तयार करता. So many times you prepare the plan. I think most of the students are knowing these terms, planning. So planning is, what do you mean by planning? It is actually process of determination of course of action. So you have to perform certain task, and which task is to perform earlier, which task is you must give priority. That has been decided in case of planning. So to achieve desired goals or objective of the organization, the manager performs certain course of action, and the process of determination of course of action is nothing but planning. Planning is a course of action to be taken in future. So if you see, planning is forecasting in nature. Planning is forecasting in nature. You have to see the things which are not happening or which will be happen in coming days. है की नाही? तुम्हाला प्लॅनिंग करायचं असेल तर भविष्यातल्या काय गोष्टी घडणार आहेत याचं इमॅजिनेशन करावं लागतं, आणि त्यानुसार तुम्हाला टास्क परफॉर्म करावं लागतं. सो इट इज अ प्री डिसाइडेड कोर्स ऑफ ऍक्शन. प्लॅनिंग इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ डिसाइडिंग इन ऍडव्हान्स what is to be done, how it is to be done, and where and when and whom should be done. So 5W and 1H is important. Getting when, where, whom, why, and how. So we call it as 4W and 1H questions. So you have to ask this question to yourself. So it involves the determination and objectives to be achieved, as well as activities required to achieve the objectives. Getting? So you require to anticipate the future, what will be going to in coming days, what will be going to happen in future. That you have to imagine before the planning, and consciously deciding what to do, how to do, when to do, and who should perform the task. Are you getting? Students, if you are getting, please write down in chat box. Yes, yes, yes. Don't listen only, respond me. Hello. So those people who are having a vision, who are having goals in their mind, and to achieve their goals and whatever they have seen, they generally does the planning. Planning is a process of doing a particular course of action to achieve the desired goals or objectives. This is the definition or meaning of planning. Understand? Friends, understand? So you might have known why generally people do planning, but why the manager performs the planning function? He has to control the various activities, he has to control the various resources required for running the business. So basis of planning or basis of control is planning. Getting? So in controlling, what you do? Controlling, you set the actual goals, and according to goals, whether the particular action is happening, whether the particular task is happening, that has been assessed, and corrective action is taken. So to do the best control, to exercise the best control, you must have plan in your pocket, in your mind, in your on your paper. So planning is the basis of controlling. And because of, you know, today's environment is very in business environment is very complex. Business is becoming very complex activity. Complexity is there in business, and you have to tackle various problems associated with this business complexity. At that time, this plan uh, makes you capable to tackle these business complexities to achieve the different objectives of the organization goals. To achieve the organization goal, you require planning. So from objective point of view, to solve the problem of the business point of view, to assess the control, to exercise the control, and to do various activities at a proper time, you need planning. Getting? And if you have plan, there will be definitely the minimum chance of business failures, the less chance of business failure, if you have a good plan with you, and you utilize the money, material, machines effectively, if you are having a good plan with you. And this is a basic function of managerial, different types of managerial function. It is the basis for management function, planning. Getting? Understand the different points related to need of planning? Students, why there is a need of planning? Meaning of planning, need for planning, why manager perform this function? If you want to achieve the desired goal, आता काय की every organization is for achieving the desired goals and organization. Every business is every businessman set their goals, certain goals related to business, certain objectives, and to achieve these objectives, every businessman or manager must have plan. Getting? Without plan, there is a chance of getting failure in various while performing the various tasks of the business. So to minimize the chance of business failure, you must have good plan with you. So different types of plans that we'll see. Are you getting, students? Hello, समझते का?
Yes, sir.
हाँ? शिवानी होलकर, रोहित वाघ, सोनिका कोले, वैष्णवी बनकर, ऋतुजा वाघ. Today again I am observing less presently. 10-15 students are not attending the class. Okay, will take actions against them. So importance of planning from different point of view. Why planning is important? Because of planning, definitely the output increases. जर चांगला प्लॅन असेल तर तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनचा आउटपुट नक्कीच वाढलेलं दिसेल अँड यू विल युटिलाइज द रिसोर्सेस ऑर इनपुट इफेक्टिवली. Another way you can say you will save the money if you save the resources. Getting? So to increase efficiency is basically ratio of input and output. It is the ratio of input and output. If you want to obtain more output, you have to do minimum utilization of resources. जर तुम्ही मटेरियल कमी वापरलं, मशीन चांगलं वापरलं इफेक्टिवली, whatever the money required for that business, if you utilize that properly, definitely your saving will be more and you will achieve the good efficiency in the organization. So efficiency is the ratio of input and output, and it increases efficiency if you have good plan. प्लॅनिंग कशाच करतो आपण? मटेरियलचं करतो, मशीनचं करतो, मेनचं करतो. वी डू द प्लॅनिंग ऑफ व्हेरियस रिसोर्सेस ऍक्च्युअली, and that resources required for running the business. So if you have good utilization of these resources, definitely it will boost the efficiency of the organization. And just I said earlier, there will be minimum chance of failure of the business in the business. So it reduces business related risk. प्लॅनिंग जर केलं तर काय होईल? ज्या रिस्क आहेत त्या रिस्क ऑटोमॅटिकली कमी होतात and it facilitates proper coordination also, because 4 W's and 1 H in important in planning. If you want to prepare a good plan, you must ask the question like W questions. When this particular task is to be performed, who is going to perform that task, why it is to perform that task, how many material will be required, how many men will be required, and answers of this question will be there in planning. So there will be good coordination among the various human resource required for that doing that particular task if you have a good plan. And it helps in aids in organizing the resources is one of the organizing. Planning, organizing, directing. Organizing is one of the function which manager performs. So it helps in organizing all the activities at a proper time if you have a good plan and you will go in a particular direction. Planning असेल केलेलं तर काय? It gives a right direction, it gives a good control, it helps to achieve different objectives, and because of getting the success in the business with the help of this good plan, automatically the personnel which are working in the organization get motivated, and it encourages the one of the 2 important functions like creativity and innovation also. And manager will take a good decisions at proper time and it helps in decision making. So these are the important points while doing the plan. And why it is important? Because of these 10 factors, planning is important. Understand? So write in chat box again, yes, if you understand planning. One of the major functions, planning, organizing, directing, that we are going to learn. So planning, first is planning. And if you are getting meaning of, or if you are understanding the meaning of planning, so write down in chat box again, yes. Yes. Understand, students? So we started our discussion with meaning of planning, need of planning, importance of planning, and last topic, today's last topic is types of plan. Actually, more types are also there. 2-3 more types of planning. But at the higher level management, generally we see the strategic planning. So the setting of broad, long-range goals by top management. At top management, just I said, there are 3 levels of management: top management, middle level management, and lower level management. So top level management does this strategic planning. So in strategic planning, strategies are decided. Strategies or business policies are decided. And who decides it? The top management authorities. So top management authorities means CEO, board of directors, MD, they are at the top level. So these administrative level peoples, they does the strategic planning. Strategy means course of action which will be performed in coming days or in future. So hello, तृप्ती भागवत, मी काय चाललंय माझं आणि व्हॉट यू आर टायपिंग हेअर सर? सेकंड चॅप्टरच्या नोट्सची PDF सेंड करा ना ग्रुपवर. हा, तुम्ही करा, आम्हीच सगळं पाठवतो. तुम्ही काही करता की नाही, नोट्स काढता की नाही? हा, मी काय सांगतोय तुम्हाला, तुमच्या स्वतःच्या नोट्स तयार करा. यू प्रिपेअर युअर ओन नोट्स, परचेज द बुक्स. I am explaining you. You are management students. You are business administration students. Try to draw the notes from. If you are not able, then I will supply it. जर तुम्हाला ते जमतच नसेल तर मी सप्लाय करेल. But you try it. You show me, sir, I have done this. I have drawn these notes. Huh? आता मी हे स्लाइड एक स्लाइड 5-5 मिनिट तुमच्या समोर असतेच. त्याचे फोटो जर काढून घेतले या स्लाइडचे आणि तुम्ही स्वतःच जर पॉवर पॉइंट बनवलं, पॉवर पॉइंट मोबाईल मध्ये पण बनवता येतं आजकाल. यू कॅन प्रिपेअर युअर ओन पॉवर पॉइंट्स by seeing my own my PowerPoint presentation. You can draw the snapshot, you can draw the photos of these particular slides, and you can prepare your own notes also. So many tactics are there for doing the study. ज्यांना करायचंय त्यांना काही सगळं जर रेडी मटेरियल दिलं तर मग काय होतं की त्याचं आहे मटेरियल, भरपूर मटेरियल आहे, पण ते रेडी तुम्हाला जर सप्लाय केलं तर त्याचं महत्व मुलांना राहत नाही आणि ते त्या पद्धतीने अभ्यास करत नाही. यू ट्राय टू कलेक्ट युअर ओन डेटा. तुमचा स्वतःचा डेटा तुम्ही तयार करा प्रत्येक सब्जेक्ट विषयीचा. माझाच नाही सांगत मी, माझ्याच विषयाच्या बाबतीत नाही म्हणत, दुसऱ्या विषयाच्या बाबतीत पण तुम्ही काय करा, डेटा तुमचा कलेक्ट करा, मटेरियल कलेक्ट करा आणि त्याच्यावरून स्वतःच्या नोट्स काढायला शिका. दॅट इज द बेस्ट मेथोडॉलॉजी ऑफ डुईंग मॅनेजमेंट स्टडी अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. प्रत्येकाचं वेगवेगळं असू शकतं, पण माझ्या माहितीने स्वतःच्या नोट्स काढणं फार गरजेचं आहे. आणि इतके कन्सेप्ट क्लिअर होऊन जातात स्वतःचे जर आपण पद्धतीने नोट्स काढल्या ना. तर होऊ द्या लँग्वेज इकडे तिकडे काय थोडंफार, इतकं परफेक्ट नसतं कुणी पण. 100%, मी सुद्धा 100% परफेक्ट नाहीये. गेटिंग? सो बट ट्राय टू डेव्हलप युअर ओन स्किल्स. तुमचे स्वतःचे स्किल्स वाढतील, चांगले रायटिंग स्किल्स वाढतील, इमॅजिनेशनचे स्किल वाढतील, इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव्ह होईल. So many advantage you will get if you draw your own notes of each and every topic. Am I right or wrong? बरोबर आहे की नाही? व्यवस्थित सांगतोय का मी? सोप्या पद्धतीत सांगतोय का? समजतंय का? धनश्री, वैभवी, so once the strategic plan prepared by these top authorities is completed, then it generally that particular plan is forwarded to middle level manager, and middle management, according to the goal set by the top management, they start their own planning. मग मिडल लेवल मॅनेजर काय करतात? गोल अचीव्ह करण्यासाठी जे काही पॉलिसीज स्ट्रॅटेजीज ठरवल्या आहेत टॉप मॅनेजमेंटने, स्ट्रॅटेजिक प्लॅनिंग केलेलं आहे, त्याच्यावर त्यांचा प्लॅनिंग, ऑर्गनायझिंग, डायरेक्टिंग, कंट्रोलिंग, स्टाफिंग सुरू होतं पहा. सो दे स्टार्ट देअर ओन tactical planning. So identification of specific short range objective by middle level manager and level manager is nothing but the tactical planning. How to do a particular, how to achieve a particular goal. How comes here? Getting that has been decided by tactical planning. So single use plan that address unique events generally that do not reoccur. That is single use. परत परत ज्याला आपण इव्हेंट परत परत रिपीट करत नाही, जनरली त्यासाठी सिंगल यूज प्लॅन करतो. आणि हे टॅक्टिकल प्लॅनिंग त्या लेवलवर चालतं. सो and lastly lower level management does the operational planning, the setting of work standards and schedules. ठीक आहे नाही, ऍक्च्युअल जे टास्क आहे तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की लोअर लेवल मॅनेजमेंटला परफॉर्म केलं जातं. मग त्यांना when and where two W questions are important from operational point of view. Who is to perform, when to perform, and where to perform. So operational planning gives the answer of these three. So the setting of work standards and schedule is related to operational planning. And lastly, if the particular plan gets failed, then second plan may come into picture, and that is backup plans. We call it as contingency planning in case primary plan fails. त्याला आपण क्रायसिस मॅनेजमेंट प्लॅनिंग पण म्हणतो. एखादा अचानक काही प्रॉब्लेम झाला तर त्याला दुसरा सेकंड अल्टरनेटिव्ह बऱ्याचशा मॅनेजमेंटकडे असतो. सो दॅट इज नथिंग बट बॅकअप प्लॅन्स. आर यू गेटिंग? Here types of plan: strategic planning, long term, directional and single use. ऑपरेशनल प्लॅन शॉर्ट टर्म असतात, स्पेसिफिक असतात, आणि दे ऑलवेज इन ऑपरेशन. सो दे स्टँड्स. सो फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ डुईंग दिस पर्टिक्युलर प्लॅन इज so many times operational plan we see in various firms or business organizations. Getting? So from specificity, from frequency of use, from time frame, and from breadth of these work, these plans may be divided into two. Strategic मध्ये पण तुम्ही लॉंग टर्म प्लॅन, डायरेक्शनल प्लॅन म्हणू शकता. ठीक आहे नाही, शॉर्ट टर्म प्लॅन, ऑपरेशनल प्लॅन आर शॉर्ट टर्म प्लॅन. सो लॉंग टर्म प्लॅनिंग, शॉर्ट टर्म प्लॅनिंग, directional planning, specific planning, single use, multiple use planning, operational level planning, and strategic level planning. So these are the different types of plans. So planning is useful to decision making to achieve the desired goal. It is generally a future oriented, and it requires intelligence also. Planning कुणी करू शकत नाही. प्लॅनिंग ला इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रोसेस आहे, आणि it is ongoing activity you require to do continuously. Middle level manager and lower level manager people, they are always in continuation with each other, and they are doing consistently these perform these function planning. Okay, so I stop today's discussion here only. Thank you for attending the lecture, and please tell others also. Just 1 minute, I will take your present also. Okay, you may leave the meeting. Thank you.